Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Ramadan with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. With this Ramadan edition, today I will be teaching you a very popular iftar time recipe, creamy fruit chaat. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright viewers, so for this creamy fruit chaat recipe, I am taking 1 mango, 2 bananas, 2 apples, 4 strawberries, and some grapes. Also, I'm using the Rafan jelly. In one of my previous videos, I've already showed you how to do that, so please click the link below to see how to make it. And now for the cream, I'm using the Milk Pack brand, about a half cup, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now first we will start adding these materials together. So we will add everything to the cream, so the sugar, then the black pepper, and then the mayo. Then we'll mix it well. Okay, now that it's nice and mixed, I'm just going to go cut the fruits and then we'll prepare for the final steps. Okay, so I have cut all the fruit, put them all into a bowl and mixed them all together. Now the mixed material, we'll just add all of it into the fruit bowl. All this cream, just get the whole thing, and then once done, just mix it well. And now just for the final step, we will garnish it with the jellies that I showed you previously. If you want to learn how to make the Rafan jelly, please click the link below where I have shown previously how to do so. And I'm using multiple flavors. It just makes it look good overall. So here you have it, folks. Your perfect fruit chaat, creamy fruit chaat. Please try this out this Ramadan, and if you do, leave a comment below and send us a picture so we can post it on our Instagram. Until we see you again, remember us in your prayers. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rahman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.